Hello, Arnav. Am I audible?
Yes,
Everything good?
yes, sir.
Why are you not there in the last class?
Sir, I was actually traveling to India.
You were traveling. All right. In the last class, we studied about functions. All right. In the previous classes, we finished relations. Now, what is function? Let me explain this quickly before Fahad comes. Right. So, how to see if a relation is a function? All right. Function is what? Function is a subset or a kind of relation. That means all functions are relations. All right. Nothing specific. But we constrict some things, right? We put some rules on relations. So what are the rules? First thing is, suppose this is A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So if I draw this, A is related to 1, B is to 2, C is to 3, D is to 4. If I ask you, is this a relation or not? Is this a relation or not?
Sir, it is.
It is, right? Now, how to check if it is a function or not? So if a relation has to become a function, then what you have to check? You have to check this set. This is set A, this is set B. All the elements of set A must be related to any element of set B. It's clear? First rule is each element of A must be related. All right. Second condition is unique relations. Unique relations mean each element of A should have a unique relation with set B. What this means? A cannot have two relations with 1 and 2 also, right? B cannot have two relations with 2 or 3 or 4, so on. It must have only one relations. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And see this, all the conditions are set A, not on B. There can be elements of B which may or may not have any relations. That is okay. In fact, A, B, C, D, and we have a single element 1. A can relate to 1, B can relate to 1, C can relate to 1, D can relate to 1. This is also a function. All right, because A is uniquely related to one element of B. B is uniquely related to one element of D, right? And so on for everyone. And each element is related. So this is a function. There is no conditions for B. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. And what is domain? Domain is set A, codomain is set B, and the elements related are range. 1, 2, 3, 4 are range. All right.
Yes, sir.
The second elements of the ordered pairs will be called images, and ABCD will be pre-images. All right, because we can write A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, and D, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are images. A, B, C, D are pre-images. All right. So if somebody asks you what is the image of B, you will say 2. If somebody asks you what is the pre-image of 2, you will say B. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And you can get the lecture also if you ask the team. All right. Fahad, everything good?
Yes, sir.
All right. Any doubts from the last class?
No, sir.
All right. I was just giving another quick revision. So let's start with the question. All right, Arnav, have some patience. Everything will be clear. All right.
Yes, sir.
Let A equals to -2, -1, 0, and 2. And F is from A to Z. This is Z. All right, capital Z. Given by f of x equals to x square minus 2x minus 3. Find the range of f. This is the first part. The second part, pre-image of 6, -3, and 5. All right. So the question is clear. We have set A, these elements, and the function is from A to Z. This means set A we have given, set B is Z. Z means set of integers. All right. So you have to create the ordered pairs and see the range. All right. Arnav, this is clear.
Yes, sir.
All right. Fahad.
Yes, sir.
All right. Try to solve this.
Sir, I'm not getting any 6.
We're not getting 6. Let's see how to solve this. We have f of x equals to x square minus 2x minus 3. So f of minus 2 will be minus 2 square is 4 plus 4 minus 3. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Right. F of minus 1 will be 1 square 1 plus 2 3 0. F of 0 will be minus 3. F of 1 will be 1 minus 4. Right. F of 2 will be 4 minus 4 0 minus 3. Absolutely right. There is no 6. So the first part says range of f. So Arnav, what will be range of f?
Straddle.
See, all the elements are getting as the output, right? If you have to write the ordered pairs, you will write minus 2 comma 5, minus 1 comma 0, minus 0 comma minus 3, 1 comma minus 4, and 2 comma minus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
See, this function is nothing but a relation, right? So you can solve this as this is a relation. So just write down the ordered pairs. Now all the elements that are related are called range. So 5, 0, minus 3, minus 4 is range. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Far this is clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now pre-images of 6, minus 3, 5. So 6 has no pre-image. All right, because it is not related to any element. Minus 3 has two pre-images, 0 and 2. 5 has minus 2 as the pre-image. This is clear? Both of you, this is clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
All right, please note it down the answer. All right, if you have noted that down, solve this question. Express the following functions as a set of ordered pairs and determine their range. Function is from A to R. Set A is given, R means real numbers. All right, function is given as this x square plus 1. Very easy question. Try to solve.
you're done.
Solve this next one. Arnav, have you solved this first one?
Yes, sir.
All right. No need for me to solve this, or shall I solve this?
No, sir, it's okay.
So, okay, okay. Solve this next one.
So it is not a function.
All right. The second part is complete. This one.
Yes, sir.
All right. Fahad.
Yes, sir. Second part is done.
All right. Now this last question. Both of you, have you solved this last question?
Yes, sir.
All right. Fahad.
Sir, I'm not sure.
Not sure. All right. So, Anav, can you help me solve this? How to solve this? Anav is disconnected. All right. Fahad, do you remember what a function is, or what is the definition of function, or what is the necessary things required for the relation to be a function?
Sir, the elements should be of the first set should be unique.
Absolutely right. And all of them must be related, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So in this question also, from this set A, all the elements must be related to any element of set B, right?
Yes.
So how we can check this? This is natural numbers. Natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all. And this is also 1, 2, 3, 4,
So
5,
it
6.
won't be.
Sorry,
So this won't be a function
right? Why?
because for 1 we are getting -1.
Absolutely right. So we can check that for f of 1, we are getting 2 into 1 minus 3, that is -1. And this does not belong to natural number. So 1 has no image. All right,
Okay.
in f. So this is not a function. Clear?
Yes.
Arnav, have you solved as this also?
Yes, sir.
All
So I
right.
did for all. I didn't just do for one, I did for all.
It for all means
Like I put every value.
every
We just have to
value.
put one. I put every
But
value the
if you put,
first.
but if you put 2, then 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is all right, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you, even if you put 3, then 3 into 2 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. So this is okay, right? So
Yes, sir.
all of the rest of elements are related to at least one element, but only one is the element which is not related to this. So this will not be a function. All right, Anna?
So if one element is also not related, it's not a function.
Absolutely. I told you every element of this set, the first set, should be related to at
Okay.
least one element, right? And they cannot be related to two elements also. The previous example I gave Fahad also. Let me explain. This is my example. I like this a lot. My favorite example to explain. Imagine this is the set of all sons in this world. This is set of all fathers. So if there is a son, then he must have a father, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
only one father. We cannot have a son in this world who doesn't have a father, right? So that is not possible. So every son must have a father and must have only one father. But look at the set of fathers. There may be a father who doesn't have any son, right? And that is okay.
Yes,
That
sir.
happens in this world. In fact, that is also true that one father can have many children. So one can be related to many elements, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's clear now.
Yes, sir.
All right, please note it down if you want. And now it's time for your test. All right.
So
Note it down.
relations.
Right, sets and relations. Mixed
Okay,
questions we
sir.
have.
Okay, sir.
All right, just note it down. Then I'll share the test paper. And I would request you to start your videos also. for the test? Done noting this?
Done, sir. Done, sir.
And when you submit the answer, please make a PDF using cam scanner. All right, then it will be easier for me to check. All right, don't send pictures like that. Please make a PDF, write your name, and then send. All right.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and please on your videos. And this is the test paper. Half an hour for this.
Sir, I can't turn on my video right now. Can you do it in the next test?
All right. Fahad, what about you?
Because this laptop is little old and it doesn't have a camera.
All right, all right. No issue.
I can, but I don't want.
Sorry,
Sir, I can, but I don't want to switch on.
you don't want to switch on. And why is that?
Just like that.
Sorry,
Just like that.
just like that. All right. I have started the focus mode also, so nobody else can see the video if that makes you comfortable. All right, but I have been asked to ask you guys to on the videos. All right, that's okay. But please, from the next examinations,
Okay. Okay.
be prepared for the videos. All right.
Okay.
All right. So please solve this. You have 30 minutes.
So in the third question, it's written 30 study physics or chemistry. Is it an error or is it?
Let me just get to the 100. No, that is and.
Oh,
All right. This is an error. Please correct that. This is and. Last 10 minutes left.
Done, sir.
Let's create a PDF, all right, and you can send that in the group, WhatsApp group.
Okay, sir.